permanent injury of some kind, then we are liable for that. And the Alpine Rescue Squad is trained for this, have the proper ropes and the carriers and everything to get people down from the mountain. We felt that we would wait, and it was only about 20 minutes before they were there and ready to take them down, and I think his reasoning was right.
Meantime, the Jeffco Sheriff's Department says all details of its investigation have been turned over to the Jefferson County District Attorney. A deputy DA says the information will be reviewed to determine if charges of negligence should be filed against anyone. This is Jim Lee, Channel 4 Eyewitness News.
The apartment was still under construction, with the manager and the assistant manager as the only occupants. They got out unhurt.
If someone offers you something for free, they're going to have to make up for it somewhere else. I don't really believe that there is anything free. If a man offers a free service call, he then has to make it up in labor somewhere else or in costs of parts. Well, basically, nothing is for free. My position is that
the governor can call us into session. But to allow it would be a frightening. Mr. Chairman, members of the Assembly.
It could very well be that Colorado has outgrown the governor's call. Rather than contributing to a more efficient legislative session, it may be hindering progress. And if there's one thing our legislature does not need, it's something that slows it down. Arlene Arnsparger, Channel 4 Eyewitness News at the State House.
District Attorney Tooley led 36 vice agents and policemen into this after-hours club early this morning in a quest for vice and liquor law violations. They made 5 arrests, took 5 firearms away from customers, and seized 16 grams of what they believe is heroin. But more importantly, they used a little-known state law, still on the books, to take all the furnishings out of this club. There's speculation this may be the start of a new crackdown on club law violations. Tooley says he's given club owners ample warning to observe the law. Pete Webb, Channel 4, Eyewitness News.